So if you want to know how to transfer wallet to Binance, this video is for you. After you open up now the Binance app, now go to wallet at the top right side. After you come to the wallet, now go to asset. So if you come to this asset section, now scroll to down and find the coin you want to transfer. So for me, let's say if I scroll to down, I want to transfer USDT. Here is it now. After you select the USDT you want to transfer, so at the top now make sure to choose the network. So most of the time choose the BNB network since you are transferring from Binance wallet to Binance exchanger. So tap on this send button. So from this option now it will ask you to type in the address. So make sure you copy the address of the coin you want to transfer from the exchanger. So I copy the address from the Binance exchanger. I'll tap on this option. After you tap on this option, now tap on this paste button. Now I paste the address, tap on this done button, and then tap on this continue button. So after you tap on this option, now here it will ask you now to type in the address, type in the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to transfer 200 USDT. So after you tap on this 200 USDT, just tap on this continue button. From there, the USDT will be transferred into your Binance exchanger from the wallet. And that's it, guys.